This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect MetaMask extension on Macy's browser. Open Macy's browser and go to the Extensions menu, then find MetaMask and install it. After installation, enable the extension and pin it to your toolbar for easy access. Next, choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one with your seed phrase. Finally, set a strong password and back up your seed phrase securely before continuing. Now we will grant the right permissions for secure use. Click the MetaMask icon and read each permission prompt before approving anything. Only connect your wallet to sites you recognize and verify the domain carefully to avoid scams. Limit permissions by selecting specific accounts to share and confirm you are on the correct network to prevent misplaced transactions. Review connection, requests regularly, and revoke access for sites you no longer use. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you work through setup steps, and it fits in most cup holders so you won't spill during a long wallet import. I find it handy during troubleshooting breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you run into issues, start with simple fixes that usually work. Refresh the page and restart Macy's browser, then check that MetaMask is enabled and pinned to the toolbar. Make sure both the browser and extension are updated to the latest versions to avoid compatibility problems. If problems persist, clear the browser cache or reinstall the extension, and always restore your wallet with your seed phrase only on trusted environments for safety and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.